How did the comet compare to the Boeing 707? The de Havilland Comet, a pioneering jet airliner, faced setbacks due to catastrophic accidents caused by metal fatigue issues. This opened the door for the Boeing 707, which addressed these weaknesses and offered superior performance, range, and passenger capacity. The 707, benefiting from lessons learned from the Comet's failures, incorporated design improvements to enhance safety and reliability. Coupled with Boeing's strong marketing and extensive support network, the 707 achieved market dominance, solidifying its position as a cornerstone of commercial aviation and overshadowing the Comet's pioneering role. Which do you think was the best jet airliner?